premium line Cat.6A 180-degree shielded die casting Keystone jack slim type with grounding pin is at your attention. Thanks to the self-clamping design, the installation is carried out without additional tools and it is in accordance with the T568 A&B standards. The module is suitable for all types of premium line telecommunication outlets. In addition, the Keystone module is compatible with our modular type patch panel, which is ideal for rack mounting. This Keystone jack with grounding pin was developed for projects with additional requirements for grounding. You can connect this Keystone jack to your grounding system at any faceplate. More information is on our website.